for today is at, and you're going to have to then tell me words that have the at sound. Do you think you're going to be able to, Lexi?
Yeah.
You sure? What about you, Shelby? Do you think you know words that have a sound at in them?
Yep. No.
Okay. Shelby, tell me a word then that has the at sound.
Cat.
Cat. Cat. Very good. Seek. Lexi?
Cat.
Rat. 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 Any more?
Mat.
Mat. Very good. At. Mat. Mat. You're thinking, Lexi? What do you do with a chair?
Sat.
Sat. Sat.
Pat.
Pat. Pat. Pat the cat.
Pat.
Pat. Put in your head.
Pat.
Hat. What flies about at Halloween in the sky? You have witches and
Bats.
bats. Another one. Bat. Bat. Bat.
How about that?
Bat. Very good. The sound. That. 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 Yes, that's it. That you have that, and that's a
Wait, can I put it?
that.
The
Very similar
that.
sounds. That.
cat. Cat.
Chat.
I love you so much. I love you so much.
Chat. What's your last one? Will this
Flat. Fat.
flat? Well, that is fantastic work, guys. You've come up with all the words with the at sound. Maybe boys and girls at home will be able to come up with more than we did, but Shelby got 6 and Lexi got 6, so well done.
Hope you enjoy watching this. Hope you enjoy your